All right, guys, 2016 Chrysler 300S V6. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. As you see, not a lot of tone, just quiet. Again. Here's sound decibels. 83. Again. So we're gonna put some vibrants in the middle. We'll let you guys hear it after. 2016 Chrysler 300S V6. What we got done on it? Factory converter there. Then factory X pipe there. Then we put two vibrant bottles there and there. He didn't want a lot of tone, just nice deep tone. He wanted like a stock V8 almost sound. So we recommended two vibrants right there. And then left the resonators on it on the back there and there. There's the stock mufflers that were on it right there that we cut off and replaced with the vibrants, as you guys can see there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. See what I mean? If you put a 40s, it would have been even quieter. Now it's hitting 90. Again. Barely hit 88, 90. You want it louder? Let it idle.
Sound like what?
Huh?
Sound like it's on.
Yeah, it's running.
That's how it sounded when I brought it.
Yeah. Give it gas. It's got a little bit more of a tone, but not much. And you want to take it down the road, see if you yeah,
pull it out. I'm gonna see.
Yeah, go ahead and back it up. Let's take it down the road, see what kind of drone is inside, you know? Wow, it barely made a difference. It's like three or four sound decibel difference only. Yeah, take it down the road. Chrysler 300 with vibrant mids only. Everything else is bone stock. Did a sound decibel difference of about 4. Not that much. So, this is round 2 for a Chrysler 300S V6. So we showed you guys the round 1 part. This is the stock converters there and there. Then stock X pipe, 2 1/4 all the way. Then the vibrants, 2 1/4. There'll be part numbers in the description and links in the description for them. All right, I think they're 1794s if I'm not mistaken. And then 2 1/4 out the back, and then we did a rear muffler, rear resonator delete this time because it barely had any sound before. There and there, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it the round 2. See what you guys think. There's the 2 resonators that were on it, and there's the 2 mufflers that were on it. Resonators, mufflers. Now it's got vibrant system on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There we go. See how much those take out? Crazy. That's how it's supposed to sound. Much better. Yeah. Again. 111. Again. Now it sounds like a lion roar, man. Go ahead and back it up. Now That's why I like to do it in stages.
See, this is the part that I actually wanted to hear. You hear the
Yeah.
the
You wanted to hear it when
yeah,
it's
I
sitting,
wanted-
you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I do it in stages, you know, just to be on the safe side.
So yeah, this is the sound I wanted.
Yeah, he wanted that deep tone. That's clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's a clean V6 for us. V6, that sounds phenomenal. You guys want it? Do that. That way no rasp, as you guys can see. Enjoy.